windows are really fantastic at the Newman Brothers building. Metal windows, as you can see, and I think they're one of the items that really make this building stand out and make it noticeable. The metal windows are absolutely fantastic, but you can see some ravages of time and unfortunately a lack of decoration. The windows have become quite rusted, which is obviously one of the traits of the cast iron windows. As you can see, one of the repairs that we need to do to the window is cutting out the defective glass and changing it for new. Careful cutting out of the putty on the back is essential by hand tools, and then the rebate sizes are so small you have to be really accurate with the replacing of the glass. Whilst the glass is out, we need to attend to the metalwork, and that needs to be prepared and then recoated with a 3 or 4 coat system to really give the life some longevity back into the cast iron, etc. You can see that they're slightly distorted when we look down the jambs. As the building's moved and the movement within the metal, that's taken up the shape as we see today. And again, we're not going to try and alter that. We want to keep it as it is, and the glass will be cut back into the shapes that you see it now. And the main purpose of the repairs really is to give the window a really good long lifespan to reflect the rest of the works that we're doing within the Newman Brothers coffin fitting.